What's your plan for today?
Plan for today?
Yeah.
See if we can find a local restaurant. As me say, bro, you see how you get to alcohol that. Long to drink some alcohol, bro. You know you come down.
Alright.
No.
Yeah.
Activate. Stop the beat.
Man full of rhyme like a lime. Oh, go on Caribbean Voice family. Welcome to beautiful St. Martin. Up on the street today. Link up with my General Dante himself. That's my bun, crew member. Port St. Martin Group. This is my first time visiting Philipsburg, St. Martin. We're starting off at Maureen's restaurant, also called it Eat Something Too. This is where real authentic food begins.
Welcome on board the water taxi. Welcome to St. Martin. St. Martin is your cruising destination. St. Martin, 37 square miles. We are known to be the smallest island in the world that shares two countries, Dutch and French. The Dutch side of the island, right where you are, it is 16 square miles. The French side, it is 21 square miles. Between the Dutch and the French, we have 112 different nationalities living here. We just want to tell you that tourism is the biggest contributor to our economy. So we are very much appreciative of your presence and your contribution. In a nice and a kind way, we simply want to tell you, please come back again, and it's a pleasure meeting each and every one of you. We too, on this boat, we depend on your generosity to supplement our income. So if you want to be generous to us, feel free. Folks, tips is not a must, but it's definitely appreciated. Watch your step as you exit the boat and have a great day in St. Martin. Folks, your wristband is for all day and the bar always open. Thank you.
Nice little trip, bro. Morning, morning. Welcome to Philipsburg's St. Martin. Yo, Yadi.
Next time the pork man in there make a big jump out.
Oh shit,
Yo, give it to red. You know, the red shark beer, brother.
You better bargain with me, man.
but so you go sometime, man. When you say one red stripe?
Yes, man. I stick to your culture, you know, brother. Everything there, man. Jerry and nephew.
Tell them, brother, you have somebody that feel whole day. You have somebody that feel whole day last time before.
Yo, cheers, man. Ice cool. Ice cool red stripe beer, man. St. Martin, our place too, you know. So many Jamaicans live here. Book up a nice little Jamaican stall. I go on all of ours. B2 red stripe beer. Dante, look behind her.
Hey! Hey, pop. Coco?
It's a male Shih Tzu. And he's just roaming the street. I go check out Maureen restaurant. The name of the Jamaican restaurant is called Eat Something. It's a local Jamaican restaurant.
So I'm gonna see how the food speak volume for itself. So this is the Jamaican restaurant, Maureen. Eat something. Hey, that's what the restaurant is called, bro. Yeah. It's hot in St. Martin, man. I feel like the weather here is warmer than being in Jamaica. Jamaica.
So you trying to tell me Jamaica here hotter than Jamaica?
Of course, because we have more trees.
Where you live now? In Jamaica? No.
Yes,
You
yes.
come from Jamaica now, you're telling me Jamaica here hotter than Jamaica?
We have more trees. Here is, I don't see a lot of trees.
Are you on the cruise ship?
Yes. I say I have jerk chicken. May I have curry goat, please? Our meal is here. Real Jamaican curry goat, jerk chicken. You can smell the goat. The flavors are popping, bro. Tastes good?
Yeah, man. Activate, man.
I'm telling you guys, the restaurant is so packed. The best part this. Yes, man. Curry goat soft and tender, full of flavor. Guys, you need to check out Miss Maureen restaurant, man. If you are visiting St. Martin, this is the place.
Never show me fears. You could have out of order.
Telling you guys, the food tastes so good. Fried plantain, curry goat, rice and peas, fresh vegetable. Guys, if you are ever visiting the island of St. Martin and you're on the beach of Philipsburg, this is the restaurant that you need to check out. It's Maureen. It's a red shop you can't lose. Right now the restaurant, it's really full. A lot of visitors to the island. This is where they are having lunch, including me and Dante. This is where we're having our lunch today. And trust me, I'm not regretting my lunch. Maureen, I tell you the food speak volume, man. Curry goat, 100%, man. A real Jamaican curry goat. You can see the restaurant is full, guys. Everyone is waiting.
Work funny, man. Make more content, man. Work funny, bro. Make more content.
Why? And it's a lot, bro. The food is so much.
Yeah, man, work funny, man. You can work funny, man. No work funny, man. Make more content, bro.
I'm not gonna lie. Tasting the Jamaican curry goat bring me back to home. It felt like I'm back in Jamaica. Thank you, Miss Maureen, for this lunch. Really tastes good. I wanted some plain rice, but they don't have any plain rice. So I work with the rice and peas. We're actually inside of the restaurant. When we just came, we were sitting outside. But because of how the sun is so hot and the shed, so everyone is actually inside, trying to cool down under the air condition. Thanks, man, for invite.
Bad like Hurricane Irma.
But Melissa. Melissa.
Irma, St. Martin, I want to get Melissa.
Melissa.
Thanks again, one love, man.
Yes, respect. Thanks for the good job.
Up to myself, 31 years doing this, I'm still going strong.
Awesome.
Yeah, respect, man.
Respect. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, man, respect.
Thank you.
Sorry, my brother. Sorry. Thank you, bro. Respect, bro. Yeah. Shooting for YouTube. Shooting for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Eat something too on the boardwalk. I'm telling you guys, the food is really, really good. Trust me on that one. It's a great local experience in St. Martin. I'm telling you, the food was so good. I honestly enjoy every moment of that curry goat. The restaurant was so full, there wasn't a space, not even for one extra person. Going on the tender boat, back to the cruise ship.
But if you did not, we are still very much appreciative of your presence. On behalf of the St. Martin Tourist Office, the Harbour Holding Group of Companies, this company, Connected with Envy, we would like to tell you thank you very much. Folks, we have a saying that says, wind and wave may tip the boat, but only you could tip the crew. Folks, if you don't have a wristband, you will have to pay $5 at the ticket booth when you get off the boat. Enjoy the rest of your cruise safely, enjoy the rest of your life, and watch your step as you exit the boat. God bless you all.
Alright, there you go, man. Last little water taxi blessing to send you all back to the ship. Hopefully I made the most of it. I know some of you guys have been here before, and some of you it's your first time. I gotta say, I've been living here for years. This is the hottest that I've seen. So I don't know what your future holds for you. Maybe you got a date with a pina colada by the pool. Maybe you got a nap or a cold shower in your future. But I just want to say thank you for being here. All right. The tourism industry is everything to us. A lot of these islands are the same thing, right? So especially in the summer months, we are very grateful for you guys being here. So on behalf of the fellas, I just want to say thank you. Thank you all for being here. Hey man, come back anytime, brother. You're welcome back anytime. So when you get off the boat, the exit's gonna be right over here, okay?
Big up to Miss Maureen. Real authentic Jamaican curry goat. How was the meal, bro?
It's good, man. Yeah, man, believe. A good meal today, man. Enjoy. Big up Miss Maureen's kitchen. Eat something too. It's a good meal, man. I enjoyed it. It's a good day. It's time to go rest and return to work. You know it is, man. Active day. We stop the day.
It was a good meal. Well prepared, well seasoned. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy every moment of my meal today. The only little down part is the time is so hot. But apart from that, it was really a fine day. Another beautiful day outside getting content of this beautiful island, St. Martin. And we're drill, guys. Like, comment, share.
Subscribe as a diplomat.
Tell them.
Subscribe.